Welcome to another episode of Sweet Spots. Today, we're back in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we're checking in at Harrah's Gulf Coast. This property was originally opened in 1994 as the Grand Casino Biloxi, and in 2005, Hurricane Katrina came through and changed the face of this Gulf Coast. The building had to be imploded and was rebuilt as Harrah's Gulf Coast and opened in 2006 with about 500 rooms. Here in the lobby, you'll find a little store called the Lucky Duck, a Starbucks, their steakhouse called the Chop House, and another restaurant called Sizzle and Salt. From here, we'll head outside, check out the pool, we'll go upstairs, see the room, and then we'll go across the street and check out their beachfront dining called the Blind Tiger. Out here at the pool deck, you'll get great views of the Gulf of Mexico. Well, technically, it's not really the Gulf of Mexico that you see first, it's the Mississippi Sound, which is created by the barrier islands. And once you get past those barrier islands, you would be in the Gulf of Mexico. Those barrier islands do provide a very calm and relaxing shoreline, which is not what you typically see when you go to the beach. As for this pool, it could use some tender loving care. The concrete around the edges was starting to chip, and it just looks overall kind of dirty. So from here, we'll head upstairs and hope that the room looks better than this. And here we are in room 509. This 2-queen suite comes with a single vanity bathroom with a shower and tub combo, a miniature fridge, and a pretty good view of that Mississippi Sound. Take a look. The view from this room is pretty good. Off in the distance, you can see the Hard Rock Casino and even the Beau Rivage towering over everything. Let's head downstairs, cut across the street, and get a better view of this property. And after that quick little walk, we find ourselves at the Blind Tiger. which is their option for beachfront dining. From here, you also get a better vantage point of the other properties down the street, including the Golden Nugget. And if you turn around, you'll get the best vantage point of Harrahs from right here on this bridge. On the left, you'll notice is the hotel, and on the right is the casino. Now, we're not going to tour the casino as they don't really let you film in there, but it's a typical casino with a food court, and once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Turning our attention back to the Blind Tiger, you'll notice it does look like a pretty interesting place to eat. Now, it wasn't open at this time, so we were unable to eat here, but it does look like a pretty neat place. Just off to the side here is also a little bit of the beach access, which is very limited here in Biloxi, so take advantage of this spot if you're coming down here. And that's a wrap on our stay here at Harrah's Gulf Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi. We really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We really appreciate you watching, and as always, we'll catch you guys next time.